Honor has officially announced that its Honor 400 and 400 Pro smartphones will launch on May 22, 2025, kicking off in Malaysia. The Honor 400 come in gold and black colors. It is said to have an IP65 dust and splash-resistant build. It measures 7.3 mm in thickness and weighs 184 grams. The Honor 400 is tipped to come with a 6.55-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and an advertised peak brightness of 5000 nits. It is said to run on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset like the Honor 300. Run on Android 15-based Magic OS 9.0 custom skin. The phone could offer a dual rear camera unit comprising a 200-megapixel primary sensor with OIS and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 5,300 mAh silicon carbon battery with 66W wired supercharge. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.